Hey guys, how's it going? Just thought I'd give you a little update on the truck since the last video. I have put on a 4-inch rough country strut spacer lift on top of the 2-inch lift from the factory for the Trail Boss, so that equals 6 total. I also have 35 by 12.5 R20 Toyo Open Country RT tires on there. I got 20 by 12 Motive Magnus. I'm not sure the exact number. I think it's 431B. 20 by 12, negative 44 offset on there. You can see the poke. Got like 3 or 4 inches of poke on there. So not too much, but still aggressive. Looks great. I got these black reflector covers on there. Looks a little bit more clean. Got black bow tie on here. It was chrome outline before. Just snap that right on. Looks great. Looks way better in my opinion. There's the rough country skid plate under there that you can see. Let's see what else. I got 5% window tint all around. Limo tint. Looks great. Nice and clean. Let's see. I got black tailgate letters in the back. Black license plate. I also have a Borla S-Type full catback exhaust. They didn't have the ATAC or whatever they call it, the loud one, but this is the loudest one that they make for the 2020 models. Yep, there's it from the back. I will do a cold start at the end of the video if anybody's interested. Sounds great. I like the wheels. I like the wheels that are like more just clean, simple. I don't like the ones with all the beads in them, stuff like that. I just like the wheels that have a nice clean, simple black look. They have something called the infinite lip on these wheels, which is pretty unique. It goes all the way through and just the spokes like that, so it looks awesome. It looks awesome in person. Super unique looking. It looks like the lip is super deep, which I love. And there's plenty of sidewall in the tire as well for off-roading. I don't like those like rubber band tires or like the stretch tires or anything like that. Yeah, and it gives you a nice aggressive look as well. The only thing is these wheels are pretty flush with the tire, so you know, if you run into a curb or something like that, you can get some damage there if you're not paying attention. But you just got to pay attention, look where you're going, and you should be fine. Yeah, I guess the only thing left that I want to do is make this black. I don't like that chrome there, but that's just a minor thing. Let's see what else. Oh, I got 2 12-inch subwoofers here in the back. Oh, sorry about the dog hair. I got this cover for the dog. Yeah, so full custom enclosure, 2 12-inch subwoofers back there. Sounds awesome, super loud, super good. Super good with the upgraded, like the Bose speakers or whatever that the truck comes with. Yeah, it's awesome. I love it. You can see the little rough country emblem in there. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, one more thing. I got a dash cam. Dash cam right there. It's full 4K, looks great. It picks up everything on the road that you need to see. It's like wide angle, and you can, there's like an app on your phone, like records everything that you're doing. So, you know, just in case anything happens, you know, you can prove exactly what happened. So, yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer any questions, and thanks for watching. I will do a cold start right now. It's only been sitting for a little bit, so it might not be fully cold, but sounds great. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have, and take it easy. Have a good one. See you in the next one.